all I start hearing is the foot, and then I just go to work. My name is Randall. I'm here working on the interior on the Porsche Restoration Challenge 2025. It's simple but clean. Like normally I do a double top stitch. This time I only did a single, which more grabs and holds the material instead of a double top stitch, which we've done on every other one. You want to be able to wipe it down, wash it. You can't throw in a leather interior with cloth seats. That ain't clean enough. I always try to throw something. If it's some type of embroidered somewhere, an emblem somewhere, I always try to throw something in that kind of wows them and not expecting it.
What was it on this car?
You haven't seen it yet.
So you're hoping for that ah moment.
Yep.
Yeah. You think we're gonna get that?
Pretty sure, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm hoping.